This is Wiley from Learn to Barbecue. Are you tired of playing roulette with your steaks? 1 minute it's a juicy masterpiece, the next it's a hockey puck on a plate? Well, fear not, because in this video we're learning the secrets of the reverse sear, a technique that will turn you into a steak pitmaster. What is reverse searing? This ain't your grandpa's way of grilling. Reverse searing flips the script on steak cooking. Instead of blasting it over high heat, we take a low and slow approach, guaranteeing a perfectly even cook and the most incredible crust. Here's the how-to. To prep your ribeye, start off with patting those beauties dry and season them generously with Kinder's The Blend. Don't be shy. This is where the flavor magic happens. Why Kinder's The Blend? One blend, endless possibilities. Ditch the endless spice rack struggles. Kinder's The Blend is a perfectly balanced mix of salt, pepper, garlic, and other delicious spices that complements a wide variety of dishes. From meats and veggies to pasta and seafood, this versatile blend becomes your go-to for effortless flavor. For our ribeyes, it will enhance without dominating the already great taste of the beef. Now with well-seasoned ribeye steaks, we prepare the smoker for low and slow. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This is our best temperature for cooking and smoking, and will guarantee a perfectly cooked steak every time. The waiting game. Place your seasoned steak on the grate, right in the middle of the grill. This allows air to circulate and cook the steak evenly. Now the fun part, patience. It takes about 30-40 minutes for a 1-inch thick steak to reach medium. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. You're aiming for 130-135 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium. Once your steak hits that magic temperature, it's time for the grand finale. Crank your Pit Boss 1250 Platinum to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and then open the sear plate. This will allow direct heat and flame and will properly ensure a perfect sear. Then carefully sear the steak for about 1 minute per side. This creates that gorgeous caramelized crust that seals in all the juicy goodness. Let your steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute for an unbelievably tender and flavorful bite. Now go forth and conquer that grill. Remember, with the reverse sear technique, you'll be a steak cooking legend in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more culinary adventures, and leave a comment below, letting us know your favorite way to enjoy a perfectly cooked steak. Till next time.